Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how you can create a professional looking website using AI without writing a single line of code. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. This is the website from where we will be creating our website just by giving a simple prompt, and this website uses its AI power to build the website in minutes. Sign up to this website, choose any of the answers you want. Here are different templates you can start with, or if you want you can start from scratch. But today we will look at how you can build a website just by giving a prompt. Click on Generate with AI. Just type what kind of website you want and click on Start Building. Wait for a while. As you can see here, we now have a complete website. If you want, you can make the changes on your website. Once everything is good, you can download on the language you want, and later you can host your website. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.